Is this the Ridge wallet killer? Probably not, but it's still a pretty nice wallet. Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing the Secrid Slimwallet. Secrid is a company based in the Netherlands that has been around for over 30 years and manufactures its lineup of premium wallets in Europe. If you're tired of bulky wallets ruining your pockets and looking for a leather wallet that combines style with functionality, you're going to want to stick around for this review. The Secrid Slimwallet comes in this compact minimalist packaging, which, if I'm honest, is kind of average. But taking it out of the box, the first thing I notice is the rich chocolate brown leather. It has this beautiful vintage finish look that looks like it's going to age really nicely over time. The leather feels substantial, but it's soft to the touch. The wallet's fairly compact and it's much smaller than typical fat wallets, but definitely bigger and thicker than the standard Ridge wallet in the Ridge Lite. And you can see how they compare here. The stitching around the edges looks clean and durable, and I think it's going to last a long time, but like every leather wallet, chances are, over time, it's going to wear down. Okay, let's talk about some of the key features of the Secrid Slimwallet. The standout feature has to be the aluminum card holder with the patent card slider mechanism. Watch this. With just a flick of the lever at the bottom, your cards fan out nicely, like this. No more digging through a stack of cards. This aluminum case isn't there just for that purpose, however. It also provides rigidity and RFID card skimming protection for your credit and debit cards. I tested this on an RFID reader and it couldn't detect any of my cards inside the aluminum case, which is what you'd expect. The wallet can hold up to 6 cards in the aluminum section, plus it has the leather pocket on each side for a few more cards or some folded cash. The vintage chocolate leather is vegetable tanned, which means it develops a unique patina over time, so the wallet will become even more personalized during its lifetime. I've been using this wallet for about a week, and here's how it performs in everyday life. First, let's talk about pocket comfort. The slim profile means it sits comfortably in your front or back pockets without creating that awkward bulge, but it's definitely a bit more bulky than other slim wallet competitors on the market. The slide out mechanism can also sometimes feel a little bit uncomfortable in your pocket. For card access, the slider mechanism is genuinely useful. It's not just a gimmick. You can easily slide and select the exact card you need and slide it back in when you're done. The wallet can hold between 4 to 6 cards in the protected aluminum compartment and a few more cards on the outside. For cash, you'll need to fold bills to fit them into the side pockets, which I'm not a huge fan of. If you're someone who carries a lot of cash, this might be a bit of a limitation. But for people who only occasionally use cash, it's probably just on this side of good enough. I also like how the leather feels more supple already after just a couple of weeks of use. It's already starting to develop a bit of character. Alright, let's break down some of the pros and cons. First, this wallet has really nice build quality and all the materials feel very premium. The inside of the wallet has RFID protection for card security, has a clever card ejection mechanism that saves time, it's compact and comfortable to carry, and it features an attractive design that will likely age nicely. As far as cons go, it has limited cash capacity compared to bigger traditional bulky wallets. It is at a premium price point, around $99 USD, and there's a small learning curve to get used to the new organization system. So what do I think about this wallet? Well, I think it's thoughtfully designed to solve most modern wallet problems. It's also appealing to everyone that simply can't forgo the look and feel of a leather wallet. The combination of old world craftsmanship in the leather with the innovative card mechanisms gives you the best of both worlds. Yeah, it's more expensive than many wallets, and no, it's not as slim as compact as some of the competitors I mentioned earlier, but it does the job of marrying function with style quite well. So, what do you think of the Secrid Slimwallet? Let me know in the comments below if you've tried one or if you have any questions about it that I didn't cover. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more product reviews focused on quality, everyday carry, and direct-to-consumer items. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.